Whoa, lucky.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Circuit Teleguide St. Roch for the Roch Off-Road Championship 2024. We're gonna go out for mains. I've been here for 2 days already. We're at the end of day 2. We're gonna go out for mains 1. We're doing triple mains. So we're going in mains 1 with the four-wheel drive mod buggy first with the TEKNO EB410.2 new tires. I've been running the Smoothie 2s and testing them between the Smoothie 2s and some silver ellipses. I'm more consistent on the silver ellipses, but on the Smoothie 2s they're great when they're sauced appropriately. So the other thing I'm trying for the mains, and this is we're trying the Sticky Kicks Gold. So the tires have a sauce on them, which is like a sticky material, and we're going to see if it holds up, because I was finding that the liquid wrench, which is in this bottle, was wearing out halfway through a run. So we just get pushy halfway through running the quals. We're going to go out in this main with Sticky Kicks on these silver J-Concept Smoothie 2s and see if we do any better. I'm starting P1 in this D-Main. About to go out for the D1-MAIN and four-wheel drive buggy, starting in pole position. See if I can hold on to it. Chance 1 of 3. It's mains time at CTSR the Roch 2024.
I can feel it.
All right, we're getting ready for mains time. Good luck, everyone. All right, practice laps. My first time feeling the Sticky Kicks.
All ready. Driver ready. Start less than 5. Is it about double it? Oh, God, when it is
Whoa, damn it, lucky. Whoa. I'm gonna be trying to block you. Oh, damn it.
Just hoping for fair racing from anybody. That's all we can ask. I'm not getting hit from the left by the side. That's the first.
Unfortunate.
I disagree with you, Tim.
Doing the main effect, Trinity first. Total over then Zachary. It's Doing the five. Kennedy from the corner over 10-15. And Jack the winner. Good job. Kennedy from the corner over 10-15. Jack. Okay, Kennedy first place, Doctor down, 15 over 10, Jack the winner. Jack and Roch are done. Kennedy, you're done. Paul, you're done. Lucy, you're done. Oh, you're done.
Oh man, pulled it off. You were putting the pressure on me though. Good race, man. Good race.
Good
job, man.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Good race, guys. Good race. Man, you put the pressure on me at the start, damn it. Yeah.
We pulled it off, got a win. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button if you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. The sticky kicks worked. It had the consistency that I was looking for. It kept the same traction level through the whole run, which I've not experienced yet through all my 3 quals on the smoothie. So